With so many recipes on making jollof scattered across the internet, sometimes it could be daunting getting the perfect one. That is why today I'm going to show you how to make authentic party jollof that is homemade and still tastes amazing. So first you're going to boil some rice, then you're going to add some vegetable oil into a clean pot. Now you'll notice that I'm using this steel pot because I wanted to aid in giving the whole burnt flavor, that's firewoodish kind of taste. So you're going to saute some onions, then you're going to go in with some garlic. Now I used this Gino Party Jollof and I enjoyed using it. So I think you should try it out as well because the taste and the flavor is just amazing. So you're going to add that into a pot. You're going to give that a good mix, just stir to combine so that it fries properly. Then you're going to add some fresh tomato and pepper paste or puree, and you're going to allow that to, fry as well. So you're going to mix that. I'm still adding, all of that, and then you're going to mix it. Just mix, mix, mix. So you're just going to allow that to fry properly and mix at intervals so that it doesn't burn. Then you're going to go in with your meat stock. Now your meat stock could be beef, it could be from chicken, whatever you have handy would work just fine. But I always prefer to use either chicken or beef because it gives me the taste that I want. Then you're going to mix this and you'd start to put all of the seasoning and the spices. So I'm going in with bay leaf, I'm going to go in with some seasoning cubes. You're going to go in with some curry and thyme. You're going to mix that properly and carefully so that it doesn't spill. Then you're going to add some salt to taste. Then you're going to mix all of this again and just let that to boil. I added some water because I wanted the rice to be cooked properly so that it's tender and just the perfect texture. Then you're going to add the rice that was parboiled earlier. You're going to put all of it into the pot and then you're going to mix carefully to combine. So now you're going to carefully mix your rice so that it can just blend properly and just combine well so that all of the flavors, and the rice, everything just mixes together. At this point, the aroma from your kitchen, trust me, it's just going to be amazing. So you're going to cover the pot and you're going to allow that to cook. You can see that there's a little bit of water at the top, so you're going to use your spoon and just lift part of the rice like you're seeing me do in the video, just so that all of the water can go down. Now by now you're going to be cooking this rice on low heat. When it looks like this, then just reduce the flame to low heat. Then you're going to mix a bit and then cover. I fried some plantains because I wanted my jollof to have plantains. Then you're going to cover your pot. And then when that was ready, just look at how beautiful this jollof rice is. And then the smell was amazing. Now you're going to notice that at the bottom, I allowed it to burn a bit because this would help to give you that smoky jollof rice flavor that we're always looking for. So there's no need for you to go and be looking for the next Owambe venue just to go and party jollof. You can make it from your house. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share the video with your loved ones. And I'll see you in my next post. Bye.